Imagine this. You're standing on the top floor of a luxury high-rise in Miami, looking out over the ocean. You feel freedom, security, peace of mind. Now here's the real question. How do you get there? Most people think the answer is work harder or wait for luck. But wealthy individuals approach this differently. They reverse engineer their success. And today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. See, success isn't accidental. It's not random. It's built backwards. The ultra-wealthy start with the end goal, then work in reverse to design the exact steps to get there. And you can too. Step 1. Define the destination with extreme clarity. Most people have vague financial goals. I want to be rich. I want freedom. I want passive income. But that's like saying, I want to go somewhere nice, without choosing the destination. Wealthy people are specific. I want $100,000 per year in passive income by age 35. Or, I want to own 5 rental properties producing $2,000 each monthly by 2030. This clarity creates direction, and your brain, through a psychological mechanism called selective attention, starts filtering opportunities aligned with your goal. Here's an example. John D. Rockefeller, one of the richest men in history, didn't just hope to be wealthy. He outlined exactly how much he wanted to earn, when, and through what means. So ask yourself right now, what's your specific financial outcome? Pause the video, write it down. Because without that clarity, the rest of this process falls apart. Step 2. Identify the vehicle. You can't drive to success walking, you need a vehicle. For the wealthy, this could be real estate, investing, entrepreneurship, high-income skills like software development or sales. The key is alignment. Your vehicle must match your timeline, risk tolerance, skills, and passion. If you're aiming for $1 million in 3 years, a slow, low-risk index fund likely won't cut it. If you want steady growth over 20 years, aggressive day trading might be foolish. Here's the truth. Many stay stuck because they're using the wrong vehicle. They're trying to reach financial independence walking, while others are flying. Step 3. Reverse engineer the milestones. Break the big goal into smaller, manageable checkpoints. Think of this like GPS recalculating the route. Every milestone brings you closer. Example, if your goal is $10,000 monthly passive income in 10 years, that's roughly $1,000 per month per year, meaning you acquire income-generating assets each year to build up. Wealth builders like Grant Cardone preach this. You scale step by step. They don't guess. They reverse engineer how many units, clients, or investments they need and track progress religiously. Step 4. Optimize the inputs. Wealth is output. But inputs, your time, skills, money habits, drive results. If your inputs stay average, your outputs stay average. Top performers constantly upgrade their inputs, learning sales, negotiation, investing, leveraging technology like AI, or building networks. Here's where psychology plays in. Your financial thermostat, the subconscious set point for success, limits your actions unless you consciously rewire it. Books like Think and Grow Rich stress this. Wealth starts internally. So audit your inputs today. Where's your time going? Are you building high-income skills? Growing your network? Managing money intentionally? If not, the output, wealth, won't magically appear. Step 5. Anticipate roadblocks. Every journey hits obstacles, market downturns, failures, doubts. The wealthy expect this and plan contingencies. Take Elon Musk. He didn't build Tesla or SpaceX expecting smooth sailing. He reverse engineered for failure, raising extra capital, developing backup plans, and embracing calculated risks. You need to do the same. Expect setbacks. Build resilience. Cultivate emotional control because panic leads to poor decisions and fear stalls progress. Step 6. Recalibrate. Often the market changes. Technology evolves. Your personal circumstances shift. Reverse engineering isn't static, it's dynamic. Every 3 to 6 months, reassess your plan. Are your milestones realistic? Is your vehicle working? Are your inputs aligned? Most people drift financially because they set a goal once and never adapt. The wealthy? They course correct relentlessly. Step 7. Leverage networks and mentorship. This step accelerates everything. Wealthy people rarely operate alone. They leverage relationships, mentors, and masterminds. Look at Warren Buffett. He had mentors like Benjamin Graham, or Oprah, who leaned on powerful networks. Success leaves clues, and proximity to the right people compresses time. Ask yourself, who's in your network? Who's guiding you? Because reverse engineering is faster when you're learning from those ahead. Let's recap with a quick story. Imagine Sarah, Age 25, working an average job, dreaming of financial freedom by 35. She reverse engineers her success. Defines $8,000 monthly passive income in 10 years. Her vehicle, real estate and high-income consulting. She maps milestones. Buy her first property in year 1, second by year 2, while scaling her consulting to $150,000 annually. She upgrades inputs, learns negotiation, invests in coaching, cuts low-return habits. She anticipates setbacks, market dips, client losses, and prepares. She recalibrates quarterly, adjusting based on market shifts. She builds networks, mentors, peers, investors. Result? By 35, she's financially free, not by chance, but by reverse engineering every step. And you can do the same. Your financial success is a formula, not fate. Reverse engineer it. Clarity, vehicle, milestones, inputs, obstacles, recalibration, networks. Start today. Define your outcome, reverse engineer backwards, and watch how intentional design beats random hustle every time. If you found this valuable, hit like, share it with someone aiming for success, and subscribe to Neuronet Wealth, your hub for real-world financial psychology and wealth-building strategies. See you in the next one, where we make success predictable, not accidental.